in-person Quad summit is going to take place at White House. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, US President Joe Biden, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison and the Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga are all set to attend this summit. So battling COVID-19 pandemic, strengthening economic ties, resilient vaccine supply chain among countries top the agenda. But this first ever in-person meeting of Quad leaders is being seen as a move to tackle China's growing belligerence in the Indo-Pacific region. The Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, or Quad, is a strategic dialogue between the United States, India, Japan and Australia to bolster bilateral trade, ties, investment and, extremely important, security. So ahead of this Quad summit in Washington, D.C., China has slammed Quad's agenda. Beijing said, and I quote, "The formation of exclusive closed cliques run against the trend of times." Let's take a look at this report.
Quad has rattled China. The summit between the US, India, Australia and Japan is bothering China, so much so that Beijing issued a statement ahead of the historic talks. China says any grouping of nations should not harm a third country.
China always believes that any regional cooperation mechanism should not target a third party or harm its interests. Seeking exclusive closed cliques against a third country runs against the trend of the times and aspiration of countries in the region. It will find no support.
China's statement comes in the wake of the first in-person Quad summit between the US, India, Japan and Australia in Washington, D.C. on the invitation of President Joe Biden. The informal quadrilateral security talks aim to keep a check on growing Chinese aggression in the Indo-Pacific region and Beijing's claim on 1.3 million square mile South China Sea as its sovereign territory. In March, US President Joe Biden hosted the first ever summit of Quad leaders in the virtual format. The leaders then vowed to strive for an Indo-Pacific region that is free, rooted to democratic values, sending a subtle message to China.
The first in-person Quad meeting is significant. China, riled, is threatening and warning of ramifications, but undeterred Group of Four are going ahead to ensure democratic values are honored, that there is freedom of navigation and that there is inclusivity in the Indo-Pacific. In Washington, D.C., Geeta Mohan.
Before I get